Very good morning, students. Welcome back to our English online class. Today we are going to see a beautiful story. Okay, before going to that, how many of you like fish? Yes, all of you like fish. Where it live in sea, lake, pond. Okay, it is a plastic fish. It's move under the battery. Okay, it's a rubber fish. It's not move, stay a simple place. Okay, these two fish are artificial. We are eat a real fish. It came from natural. Okay, let's go into the lesson. Okay, the title is Anbu and the fish. Okay, Anbu and the fish. These two friends, Anbu, Madan. Okay, let's start our lesson. Anbu was talented in catching fish. He always went to catch the fish with Madan. Anbu was very talented in catching fish. Okay, he always went to catch the fish with his friend Madan. Okay, they usually used dhoti as a net to catch the fish. Madan and Anbu usually used dhoti. Okay, dhoti as a net to catch the fish. Anbu also made fishing rod using sticks and thorns at home. Anbu used the tools to catch the fish like rod, sticks and thorns at home. Okay, then they shared the fish equally. Anbu and Madan shared the fish equally. Unlike their friends, they like not other friends. Okay, Anbu and Madan were always careful while fishing. Anbu and Madan always be aware and careful while they fishing. They never went deep into the pond or river. Anbu and Madan never went too deeper in the pond or river. Okay, every Sunday they would go in search of earthworm to use them as a bite. Every Sunday Anbu and Madan go in search of earthworm to use them as bite. Bite means a food placed in a hook. Okay, they enjoyed searching for earthworm. Once the bite was ready, they would go fishing. Okay, they enjoyed, Anbu and Madan enjoyed searching the earthworms. Okay, once the bite was ready, the food was ready to catch the fish, they will go. Okay, on Sunday Anbu was not happy. One Sunday Anbu was not happy. They were able to catch only 3 fish. Okay, Anbu and Madan able to catch only 3 fishes. The fish were very small to cook, so they decided to grow the fish at home. Okay, they catch the 3 fish. The fishes are very small to cook, so Anbu and Madan decided to grow the fish at home. Okay, Anbu filled the jar with water and let the 3 fish into it. Anbu ready the jar with water and the fish is into it. Okay, the fish extracted and swam in different direction. The fish extracted means breathing difficult and swam in different direction. The fishes swam in the different direction. Anbu thought the fish was hungry and dropped an earthworm into the jar. Anbu thought the fish was hungry and he dropped an earthworm into the jar. Okay, but to his surprises, the fish did not eat. But it's surprising, the fish did not eat. He saw their eyes and could feel their fear. Okay, he saw their eyes. Anbu looked the fish eyes and could feel their fear. The fishes were feel fear. Okay.